Hello and welcome to Open House 2020. I am Mr. Hess and I will be your child's advisor for the next 4 years, hopefully, and they will kind of come to me as their point person. I just graduated a group of awesome seniors in the spring. I hand-delivered all their diplomas, which was pretty awesome, but I'm still looking forward to meeting some new faces and meeting the incoming freshmen and kind of beginning the process of guiding them to graduation here in the next 4 years. If you look here on the screen, you can see my contact information. My email is probably the best way to get a hold of me. If you would ever need to call, you can call the school and they can patch you through to my room phone. Also, you can see my schedule. If you'd ever need to come in to meet with me, this year I have a first period plan, and so you can meet with me during that, during my lunch, before or after school. These are basically the times I'm going to be available. This is the beginning of teaching year 15 for me. I've taught science all of that time. I've taught biology and physical science, but currently I teach mostly chemistry. I teach Chem-Com, chemistry in the community, and Chem 1. Even though advisory is not a typical classroom setting, there are so many things that we are trying to accomplish as a group. Some of those things are just providing general guidance on decisions to be made about classes and procedures and how to know how to get to the correct lunch period. But it's more than that. It's us forming relationships and learning about one another and growing closer together as an advisory. And that doesn't always happen instantaneously. It takes time, it takes years of being together. And it takes activities that kind of push us outside of our comfort zone. Things like tug of war and things like ping pong. Junior and senior year, I invite advisees to come out to my house and meet my wife and my family and my kids. And we have like kind of a barbecue. And it's kind of a time just to peel away all the school and just learn about one another. The successful advisories that I've had have really invested in the time, even though it's only 20 minutes in the morning, but just to learn about each other and to be there for one another. And it provides a really rewarding, culminating experience when we graduate together in 2024 as an advisory. At this point, you should be looking through the Google Classroom of your student, and you should be seeing open house videos for every class period. If you ever have any questions at any time from now until graduation, please feel free to email. Even if I don't know the answer, I will do my best to find someone who does. Welcome to Open House. Enjoy your time. Thanks for stopping by.